Hey there, in this tutorial you will learn how to do wise research with AI in Manus AI. Now, to do wise research in Manus AI, here you can see I've opened the Manus AI. You can access the website using the link on the screen. Now, after opening the website and following the process of signing up to reach here, now here to do wise research, for those who doesn't know wise research is getting information from different sources in order to have full knowledge or full understanding about something or processes in table or in wells. Now here to do it with Manus AI, what you do now here is to slide. If you are using the desktop version, is to slide to this icon I will show you here. But if you are using the application, this is what you do. Click on this plus icon here. Now slide until you find wire research. Now here you can see wire research. What you do now is to click on it like this. As you can see, you have selected the two here. You can see the two icon here. Now here what you do now here is to have this concept in your mind when doing wise research. What is it? First is action, second one is scope, and the other one is at least specification. Now here to apply this into a prompt in order to get what you want is like this. First, let me type the prompt, which I will leave all the prompts in the description section for you guys to use, and then give me a feedback in the comment section. Now here to type it like this. Now here is the prompt I will use to do wise research, and you guys can use it and find more in the description section as I have said previously. Now here let me type it. Now here is what I type here. This prompt I write here is based on market research. Now here is what I write here. Analyze 100 consumer sneakers model, exact brand, price, key feature, target demography, and average rating. Create a comprehensive table. You can see sort by price. You can see. Now here, after typing the prompt, what you do now is to send it by clicking this up arrow icon here, and then wait for it to do the wide research. As you can see, now here is the result. Now here you can click here to view files, or you can click on all files here to view all files, but here I will click on this icon here. Here is the sneaker comparison based on how I type the prompt here. You can see. Now here is the brand. Now here is the price range. Now here is the key features here. Now here you can see it tables it for me in order to know it and see it. Now here is the target demography. You can see here, and also download the file by clicking this straight line icon on the top side here, and download the file in different formats. You can see here. You can share it by clicking this share icon and share it. You see. Now you can go back. Now here you ask yourself what is the component. The component wide research, as I have said previously, is action, scope, output of specification. The action is what Manus should do: either research, analyze, compare, extract. You can see. Now the scope is the number and type of items to be processed. Now the output specification is the exact format and the field required for the final deliverance, which is the final result or the final answer, how it will be. So try it and tell me how it works on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now check the playlist on the screen to know how to use Manus AI based on tutorial.